kitchen goes scoop, 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 scoop. The spoon in the kitchen goes scoop, scoop, scoop all day long. The fork in the kitchen goes poke, 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 poke. The fork in the kitchen goes poke, poke, poke all day long. The knife in the kitchen goes slice, 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 slice. The knife in the kitchen goes slice, slice, slice all day long. The whisk in the kitchen goes mix, 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 mix. The whisk in the kitchen goes mix, mix, mix all day long. The spatula in the kitchen goes flip, 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 flip. The spatula in the kitchen goes flip, flip, flip all day long. The pot on the stove goes bubble, 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 bubble. The pan on the stove goes sizzle, sizzle, sizzle all day long. The kitchen tools help us cook, 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 cook. The kitchen tools help us cook, cook, cook all day long.
Dream Kids Island.